Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a professional CV format in Microsoft Word. We will begin by selecting a suitable template, which provides a strong foundation for your document. Next, we will explore Word's powerful formatting tools to ensure consistency and a polished appearance throughout your CV. Finally, we will focus on readability, making sure your font choices and spacing enhance the overall presentation, helping your application stand out to potential employers. Now, let's focus on the essential sections of your CV. Every strong CV includes your contact information, a concise professional summary, and a detailed work experience section. Remember to also highlight your educational background, relevant skills, and any notable achievements that demonstrate your capabilities. When describing your roles, use powerful action verbs to convey your impact and contributions effectively, making your experience truly shine. Achieving visual impact and readability is crucial for your CV. Consistency is key. Ensure you use the same font styles and sizes across all sections for a cohesive look. Employ bullet points for listing responsibilities and achievements, as this significantly improves scannability for recruiters. Clearly defined headings and subheadings will guide the reader's eye, making it easy to navigate your qualifications and find key information quickly and efficiently. Before finalizing, a thorough review is absolutely essential. Carefully proofread your entire CV for any grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, or typos, as even small errors can detract from your professionalism. Double-check all your formatting to ensure perfect alignment and consistency across every section. Finally, always save your completed CV as a PDF document. This preserves your carefully crafted layout and ensures it appears exactly as intended on any device, ready for submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.